No Easter basket? No problem. We're going to be looking at gifting perfect for the big kids, the friends, and even the Easter hostess. I'm a firm believer that styling doesn't need to be expensive, just reinvented. So how can we create something unique by only adding 1 or 2 new pieces? I'm here to step you through how to create a unique, pulled-together look that is casual, sophisticated, and practical. So my house has a land of used Easter baskets that have been stacking up in the closet. And this is where we cue the infomercial.
I have never heard someone say so many wrong things.
Today we're going to be styling a gift that your recipient won't throw in the closet. I created some pairings that I think will go great together. Then we're going to wrap it all up with a towel, some twine, a pin, and some scissors. First things first, that we need to unwrap our towel and find our center. For our base, I recommend something a little bit more solid. We have candy options as well as candles. Now to give our base a little bit more padding and make it that gifting option, I'm adding a little bit of tissue paper and scrunching it at the top. Same as we did the tissue paper, we'll be doing it with the towel. We want to make sure that our 4 corners are equally spaced. Now when we have what looks kind of like a butterfly, we're going to take our first piece of twine and wrap it tightly around the base. Now just a tiny bit of primping, and let's add an accessory. We're going to go with one of our beaded key rings, which is going to fit perfectly around the neck of our bunny. We just scrunch everything together and pull it down to where we just tied our twine. For the top portion of our bunny, we're going to be using a soap. It's an easy wrap up. Again, with the tissue paper, we'll secure it and place it right on top. Here comes a little bit of a trickier part. I found it easier if I slid the bunny around and worked away from myself, because what we need to do to create the ear effect is roll the material down. So we're going to find the center, make sure our corners are equal, and then we're going to begin to roll down and away from us. Once we're happy with how tight and secure the head of the bunny is, we're going to use our safety pin and pin it into place while we mess with the ears. Where earlier we had a butterfly, now we have a Baby Yoda. So how can we change it from Baby Yoda to a bunny? Again, with the scrunching, we're going to take one side and we're just going to fluff the ears to where we're happy with it. Take our piece of twine and tie it tight around. Once you're set on that ear, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Just a quick trim of our extra twine pieces, and then we're going to tie the bottom piece of twine into a bow. We could most certainly stop at this point because we already have our bunny, but we're going to add a little bit of embellishment with some of our Sola wood flowers. And there you have it. No Easter basket? No problem. DIY not your thing? Not an issue. Head on over to our website and check out the custom Easter Bunny gift set. Choose your towel, choose your contents, and we'll do all the legwork. We'll wrap it up, we'll take off price tags, and when you go to checkout, you get 10% off your set.